I'm not knocking the E-tracks or tire bonnets. I just want to show you that if you don't have them and you just have D-rings, you can secure your arm axe very securely. I bought, these are type straps, and I bought some Harbor Freight axle straps. So just go around the lower A-arm, come around, try and come as close to the center line of the tire and to your D-hook. On the back, notice I'm on the center line, just went to the upper A-arm there. Make sure it's not rubbing the brake line too bad. Also on the front, make sure you're clearing your tie rod there so it's not binding. You also want to make sure you have a decent amount of loops here. You don't want it too fat, otherwise it'll bind. Right here, if your locks aren't engaging, have a flathead screwdriver handy to lock them in place, because if this isn't down all the way, then this can come loose. And the other side's pretty much the same way. Try and do the center line. Got opposing forces going on. And when I rock this, notice the tire staying still. And that's why they always say, go to the closest point to the tire, and why people use tire bonnets. So your suspension isn't in the mix for your straps loosening up. So you can get all the fancy hardware for strapping down your side-by-side, but all you need is D-hooks, some axle straps, and tie them as close to your tire away from the suspension swing as possible.